Hollyhock flower, the tall beauty every garden needs. Have you ever seen a flower so tall and colourful that it looks like a natural wall of blooms? Meet the hollyhock, one of the most stunning flowers you can grow in any garden. With its towering stems and vibrant blossoms, hollyhocks instantly bring elegance, charm, and a classic cottage garden look. Hollyhocks are easy to grow and can reach heights of 6 to 10 feet, making them perfect for fences, walls, and garden borders. Their flowers bloom in shades of pink, red, white, yellow, purple, and even deep maroon, creating a spectacular display throughout the summer. To grow healthy hollyhocks, choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. They thrive in well-draining, fertile soil and appreciate regular watering, especially during hot weather. However, avoid overwatering, as soggy soil can damage the roots. These beautiful flowers also attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, helping to support pollinators and create a lively, healthy garden ecosystem. For the best blooms, remove faded flowers regularly and provide support if the plants become very tall or if your area experiences strong winds. A layer of mulch around the base helps retain moisture and keeps the roots cool. Hollyhocks are usually grown as biennials, but many varieties reseed themselves, allowing fresh plants to appear year after year with very little effort. If you're looking for a flower that combines height, beauty, and easy care, hollyhocks are an excellent choice. Plant them once, care for them well, and enjoy a breathtaking display of colourful blooms that will transform your garden into a picture-perfect landscape. If you love gardening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more beautiful flower guides and easy gardening tips.